right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, we are in Lake Charles, Louisiana. We are at this casino. It's called Isla Capri. Free RV parking here. You can also park in their $25 a night power hookup place, but we don't need power, we don't need water, as we were at a stop yesterday where we had that. Isla Capri, we're staying in their overflow parking for RVs and not trucks. For some reason they don't want trucks here, I guess overnight truckers, but it's okay for RVs and buses. That is I-10 ahead of us, or up over us. That'll be a little noisy tonight, no biggie, I don't care. I sleep pretty much through anything. And over here, on the other side of this bridge, is also a Amtrak station. So Amtrak runs right through here, and we've heard a couple of those trains. Anyway, we're gonna go inside the casino, try to break them, trying to earn some money. We'll see if we can do that, I don't know. They don't give much away free. It's only a $10. If you've never been here, they give you 10 bucks, and then they'll take it right back away from you, plus some. But we're gonna have dinner in there and gamble a little bit. And then we'll come back to the RV, spend the night, and then we're going to get up real early tomorrow. We're going to try to make it to Meridian, Mississippi, where we'll stay our first night at a Cracker Barrel. All right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. We are in Meridian, Mississippi. We got here last night, or actually we got here yesterday afternoon. Stayed a few hours, went in the Cracker Barrel store, looked at Cracker Barrel store, then an hour later we went and had dinner. Called them, they said it was perfectly fine, that they had RV/bus spots. They do have 6 of them. It worked out great. We told them we were going to spend the night and have breakfast here in the morning, and they also said that was fantastic. They were happy to do that and let us stay overnight. It closed at 10 o'clock, from 10 o'clock till 6 this morning. Peaceful, quiet, good rest. Anyway, so we're going to go back into Cracker Barrel now and have breakfast. And then we'll be on our way to our final destination for a couple of weeks in Gadsden, Alabama. And going through Texas, just going through Texas and going through her belt, the belt of Texas. She is 885 feet wide, a long state to get through if you're going through her girth. And that's what we did. We went straight around her girth from El Paso to Beaumont. Got out of Texas 885 miles later into Louisiana, where we stayed at Lake Charles and the Isla Capri. That was a bit of a bust. They have players cards. We got players cards. We intended to play some video poker, some video games, and their card didn't record anything. So we got an attendant. She said that the cards were not working that day. So unfortunately they didn't get any money off of us. We didn't get any money off of them, but the stay was okay. It was at least a night's sleep, and we got on our way to here in Meridian, where it was fantastic. But yeah, the Isla Capri, you know, it was a nice stop. We appreciate the fact that it was a free stop, and you know, it was what it was. It's not, you know, it's just computer glitch that they couldn't get the cards working. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you, and we'll catch back up with you when we're at NACA Lula Falls in Gadsden, Alabama. All right, hey everybody, RV Enthusiast here. Nice seeing you again. Hey, we are in NACA Lula Falls. RV's parked right there. I'm going to give you a little bit of panorama of what this falls looks like. This is the campground to the falls. It is beautiful. It's a little cold. It's about 50 degrees right now. Overnight was about 28. First time we used heat in the RV overnight, so it worked out well though. We're going to take the dogs for a walk. We're going to go up by NACA Lula Falls. We're going to go in and talk to these people for a little bit. We'll get right back with you and show you what the falls looks like when we get down there. It's all right, hey everybody, nice seeing you again. RV Enthusiast here. Hey, I am walking you back over to NACA Lula Falls. The other day, I guess I got a fingerprint on it, smudged a good third of the video of the falls, of the image. So even though you can see the falls, you can see a smudge. So we're not going to have that. We're going to redo that. And this is now few days later, quite a few days later, I've been here a week now almost. Look at that little train going. And I'll turn the camera and show you the footbridge. This is fairly new. Certainly in the last 20 or 25 years. There used to be an old rickety bridge across it. And this is now the new bridge. That's looking up Blackfoot Creek or something like that. And then we come over here, and that's going towards the falls that you'll see in a second. And this is the side that we always used to have family reunions on. I never came to them. I think I came to one. And so, yeah, this is the park setting here. Comes out here. This is called NACA Lula Drive. And it just brings you right into Megan down in Gadsden, and it takes you to 5-9 on the highway. And this has always looked like this. These rock kind of things, and they've tried to grow grass in between it. And then up there you can see her. That is NACA Lula. That is Princess NACA Lula, who jumped to her death after her father committed her to another up-and-coming chief or sub-chief, and she did not want to marry him. She was in love with someone else, and on the day of the marriage or the wedding, instead of doing that, she decided to jump. That's the lower part. That's about 100 feet below, 98 feet below. We'll come over here to this NACA Lula, Princess NACA Lula, and I'll show you the little, I'll kind of take a little second of it. You can stop the video and watch it, read it, but it'll tell you her little lifelong story. But this is much more developed than it used to be when I grew up. This fence used to just be a little cheapy fence, you know, those cyclone fences. But we'll stop here. You can stop it and read it at your leisure. That's the plaque. That's the story. That's Princess NACA Lula. And there's other writings on the wall that say how true it is. It is a true story. So that's her. And as we come, you can see the falls. The other day, the closest part of the falls wasn't falling. Just that little bit. 8-foot path, 10-foot path wasn't falling, but the rest of the falls was falling pretty good. And you can take this trail right here. You can go back here and then come down and take a trail and get back behind the falls if you like, and kind of sit there and enjoy the mist coming off the falls and stuff like that. There has been a kayaker or two that has gone over the falls and has survived. So it's a survivable thing in a kayak, if at least for 2 people that did it last year or the year before. But it's a beautiful canyon. It's a beautiful gorge. All right, we'll take it to the other side. This is also a chapel they had built, so you can get married here. This was not here growing up. I don't know if they built it or they moved it here, but it's a cute little chapel. Was not here when I grew up, or the times I visited. So this city here is where my parents are from. My brother and sister were born locally here as well. I was not, but that's why I always come here, because my family's from here. That's the other view. And you can see Princess NACA Lula right over there. We'll come down just a little bit more. It's pretty fantastic and a pretty great view for not being real out there and real known. Really probably outside of Alabama. But it's a nice little view, nice little park, nice walking trails, nice bike trails. Got a whole lot going on for the low price of Alabama, you know. And gas here, man. I just bought gas down the road for $2.12 a gallon. You know what I pay at home? $273 right now, or $276. A lot more money. Found a bumper sticker. I haven't bought it yet, but I'm gonna buy it. Said, hiked it, liked it. That's the new phrase for me right now. Anyway, yeah, and here's where you check in. That's the laundry and shower facility right there. And then we're camped just right down there. Very nice site. All right, guys, that's all I got for this video. I will fly the drone here and show you that. Remember, full-time, part-time, anytime. It's a great time to RV. Thanks for joining me today. And remember to subscribe if you have not already subscribed.
To like, share, and subscribe, click the logo to the left.